Hey YouTube, let's discuss LeetCode problem number 138, map recursion pattern. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. I have added a lot of LeetCode and C++ quizzes to the community page. It will definitely help you in your interview process, especially the latest quizzes. Also, it will give different perspective on the LeetCode problems, so it will be very helpful to check it out. You can also do it from anywhere. LeetCode, usually you do it in front of a computer, but here these LeetCode quizzes can be done from anywhere, so which will help you with the interview process. I appreciate if you check it out. Now, getting back to the problem, it is LeetCode 138 copy random list. Like for example, you are given a random list of say a linked list of 1, 2 and 3, and then this is the links 1, 2, 3, but there is additional random pointer where 1 is pointing to 3 and then 2 is pointing to 1 and then 3 is pointing to 2. So now you need to, when you copy this linked list, you need to copy the random pointer also. So I call this as map recursion pattern. There is a map involved because you need to, sometimes when you are copying, you don't have that node, so you just have to go back into recursion to copy that node and then come and you cannot, you have only you cannot create like 2 of these node 2s, right? So once it has been created, you need to reuse, otherwise it will not work. And so for that reason, you store, whenever you create a node, you store it in the map. And so before creating a new node, you just check whether it is already has been created and it is in the map. So that way you don't have to you do it correctly and then you don't replicate it twice. So if it is a null pointer, you return the null pointer because there's nothing to copy. And now here you basically check whether the node has already been copied or not. So if we'll go through the example, I'll see how the thing mentioned here, how it gets copied by running the program. And now if it is there, you just return that node because you are just returning node by node, and the recursion takes care of copying the entire linked list. So now if it is not there, then you copy the new node and then add it to the map immediately. Now once you are done with this basic stuff, now you have to copy the next pointer and the random pointer, because here you cannot just copy from the head.next or head.random, but you need to basically go into a recursion because that node, the replica of this head.next may not be there. So you copy the random list and then, hey, give me the copy replica of the next one, and I will assign that to the cloned node.next, and then give me a replica of the random one and I'll assign it to the clone node random, and then you return that clone node. You just return this node. So that's how the whole program works. I will show you how it runs, and just observe, like here, you just, because of this recursion, you go copy all the nexts first, all the next pointers, and then you backtrack and then copy all the random ones next, random links. So I ran the program for this diagram. I'll show you the log, how it looks. So you first start off with copying node with node value 1, copying with node value 1, and then you try to copy the next node with for 1 which is 2. So you call the copy random node for 2, and then it replicates 2, and then once again it tries to, in that program, after replicating, it tries to copy the next node for 2. So it once again goes into one more recursion and then tries to copy the 3, and then copying the next node for 3, and it is a null pointer. So now you try to copy the random node for 3, which is 2, and so you get this one from the map, and you copy the random node for 2, which is 1, and then you get that from the map, and then you copy the random node for 1, which is 3, and that's how the whole program is. That's it. I hope you like this video, and let me know if you have any comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.